When I was visiting my mom, I was able to quickly pop into the village market where I saw the largest mango I've ever seen, fresh makrut limes, only 1 baht each. I wished that I had a kitchen because there were fresh lotus stems and these really amazing looking winged beans. I had a little bit of a squeamish moment seeing the wriggling silkworms ready for the grill. I opted for some yummy coconut custard. In the hotel in Chiang Mai, I discovered my favorite cookie in the whole world.
I don't know, there's this type of smokiness to it, which is fascinating and unexpected. And I love it.
And also enjoyed a delicious northern Thai plant-based meal, cow soy and fried pork belly.
Holy moly. You have the contrast of textures, the melt in your mouth fattiness, and then the meaty bite. I'm mind blown.
At the night market, I discovered a haven for wooden mini spoons and mini cutting boards. I had to get these coconut pancakes. They're warm, they're soft and molten and crunchy on the outside. Oh, so dreamy. I started the next day with these awesome homemade jams and a very wholesome plant-based breakfast. Had lunch with celebrity chef Andy Ricker. Got a chance to go thrifting and went to the supermarket to pick up some items for my mom, where I saw these amazing natural packaging and this shelf of classic Thai flavors.